Hello students, this is Mrs. Miller, and today I would like to complete the Miller's Market assignment with you. So this time, for today, we're going to be using a 5% sales tax. So here are your instructions. Do you want to complete this assignment with Mrs. Miller? Click here to go to the direct instruction video, which is this video here. So good job, you've already found it. Please feel free to try this assignment on your own if you are comfortable doing so. Today we're going to do some things with real money. Here are your instructions. So first, you're going to need to view this price list for Miller's Market. I should have plenty of paper copies for you to look at, but if you don't have a paper copy, you can just click this link here, and it's going to open it up for you, and you can view it right here. You also need a bag of money. And you're going to start by counting out your money, and then you're going to use the money to complete this assignment here. Now, since I can't show you my bag of money, I went ahead and laid out my money here, and you can see just how much I have. So in order to save time, I've already counted mine out. This is $1, $2. So altogether, I have $5.63. So please go ahead and push pause and count up your money. After you count your money, please enter the amount here. Now we're going to put our dollar sign, 5.63. You probably don't have the same amount as I do because it's random. So just put in the amount that you have. The next thing I'm going to do is list the items that I'm going to purchase. Since I don't have a paper copy of the menu in front of me, I'm going to do the split screen that I've told you all about. So I'm going to drag this down, and I'm going to minimize it right over here and bring it over. And then I'm going to drag this down and bring it over here and minimize it. And then the other one is down here at the bottom. So there we go. Now I have my split screen and I don't have to keep clicking back and forth. So I have $5.63. I am going to get some milk because I really like milk, and that cost $1. I'm also going to get some grapes because grapes, it's one of my favorites. The grapes are 75 cents. I'm going to get some chicken breast. I like to eat chicken breast. It's something healthy and delicious. The chicken breast is $1.50. And from the bakery, I'm going to get some Italian bread. You do not have to purchase the same items that I'm purchasing. You are welcome to go through and pick your own items. The next thing I'm going to do is add up my purchases. So I'm just going to pull up a calculator. So I opened up a new tab. I'm going to type in calculator, and I can use the calculator right here. So I have $1 plus 0.75 for 75 cents plus 150 plus 0.75, and my total is $4. So I'm going to enter that information right here. Please go ahead and calculate your total. Now I know that on the I-STEP test, one of the things you have to be able to do is write equations. So we're going to now start working that into our Monday math day. So it says challenge, write an equation to represent the process you went through to figure out the total price of your items. So I have to just write down that I added all of this up. So I'm going to put $1 plus 75 cents plus, again, I'm just getting my numbers from right here, 150 plus 75 cents equals $4. Please push pause and take a moment to fill out your equation. The next question says, how much will be added to your bill with a 5% sales tax? So what I did is I laid out my $4 because remember, it cost me $4. That's the original price for the groceries. And if it's a 5% sales tax, how much are we going to add to each dollar? Correct, we're going to add 5 cents. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move one of my nickels underneath this dollar and another one here. And without moving it, you can already tell how much I'm going to add on. It's going to be 20 cents because I have $4, and if I add 5 cents onto each one, then I have 5, 10, 15, 20. So 20 cents is going to be added on. Now please watch how I put 20. I'm not going to put $20. I'm putting my dollar sign, then I put my 0.20. That is how 20 cents would look. Some of us are not doing our decimals correctly, and so we're getting different answers. So go ahead, take just a moment and figure out how much you need to add in sales tax. Now we're going to figure out the equation that we used. What is this process that we used to represent the process we went through to figure out the sales tax? So what I did is I took my $4, so I'm going to put my $4, and I multiplied it by my 5 cents. So $4, you can put an X for times 0.05. Please make sure you put that decimal point and then 0.5. If you put 0.50, that's 50. That would be 50 cents, and that's a much higher tax rate, obviously, than 5 cents. So make sure that you put 0.05 to show the tax rate. And for me, this equals, I'm going to put my dollar sign, and then I'm going to put my 0.20. That's 20 cents. If I were to just put 2 like this, that would be $2. That's not right. That doesn't make sense. Why would I have $2 added on to a $4 purchase if it was just a 5% sales tax? So we need to think through and use some mental math with that as well. So I have 20 cents added on. So that's my equation. Again, I took my $4 and I multiplied it by my 5% sales tax, which was really 0.05. That's 5 cents. And my answer was 20 cents. So that's how much I'm going to add on in sales tax. Please take a moment and figure out what your equation is to show what you went through. Now the next question says, what is the overall price you are going to pay for your groceries? My friends, it's right here. All I have to do is count this up. So I have my $4.20. I have my $4 from here and my 20 cents that I added on. So I'm going to fill that in. $4.20. Take a moment and fill in your answer for how much you're going to pay. Next, we are going to write an equation to represent the process we went through to figure out the overall amount of your bill. I'm not going to write, oh, I just added up what was on my screen. No, I have to put an equation. So I took my total before tax and I added it to the sales tax. And so that's what I'm going to put. I'm going to take my $4 plus the sales tax, and that equals $4.20. Please push pause and fill in your equation.